Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to take care of your Subaru WRX updated. Start by checking oil, coolant, and tire pressure before each spirited drive. Keep a simple toolkit and tire pressure gauge in the trunk for quick fixes. Schedule brake inspections if you track the car. Use high-quality oil and the correct octane fuel to protect the turbo and engine components throughout regular use. Routine maintenance keeps a WRX happy and reliable, so follow the service intervals and use proper fluids. Change oil on time and use the right viscosity for your climate and driving style. Monitor turbo system components and replace worn hoses before they fail. Keep documentation of services to track trends and make informed decisions about repairs or upgrades as your WRX accumulates miles. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh cabin after sweaty track days or oily garage sessions. It makes the drive smell great. I drop a link and other deals in the description so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. How you drive affects longevity, so be mindful of warm-up and cool-down habits. Let the engine idle briefly after aggressive runs to protect the turbocharger and oil system. Use smooth inputs when the tires are cold to avoid premature wear. Rotate tires regularly and align the suspension after modifications or impacts to maintain predictable handling and extend component life on your WRX.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.